Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. So don't mind my appearance. I did just get back from running some errands and I got my package here. This is the Juvias Place Skin Loving Mystery Box. And of course, I wanted to be all done for you guys and film it, but I thought, you know what, let me just film this because I have been waiting for this. It was supposed to be here a couple of days ago, but unfortunately, because all the hurricanes going on, it did not. So I hope you don't mind. I'm going to film this video like I did the last mystery box, but I definitely wanted to share with you guys. I do believe this retailed for $25. I can't remember, but I will have the price for you guys and the link down below. I did double check. They are currently sold out, so keep checking to see if they have it back. But if you want to see what I got in the Skin Loving Mystery Box from Juvias Place, then just keep watching. This is the way it came. I opened it. I'm so excited, you guys. I started watching one other video that I found on YouTube, and my husband's like, why are you watching it? He's like, you want to be surprised. So yeah, so if you guys are not aware, Juvias Place, I guess, has now come out with some skincare products. So that is what this mystery box was, and then it was going to add a couple other things. I will put all the retail value that it's supposed to be, obviously, for you guys on the screen, and all of that and down below in the description. So definitely check it out. Again, I mainly bought this because it was a mystery box and I love doing those for you guys, and I know you guys enjoy them as well. So let's see what we got. It's all bundled and wrapped very, very nicely. It looked like it was hardly anything, but they bundled it and wrapped it really, really good. So let's just pull out the first thing. Okay, the first thing that they sent me is the Nubian Nourishing Lip Balm, and this is in peppermint. Now, let's just talk about the packaging. Juvias Place automatically, we know, has some gorgeous, gorgeous packaging. I absolutely love it. Whoever designs it is brilliant because it's super, super pretty. All right, there it is there. Super pretty. Not what I was expecting this lip balm to look like. So definitely beautiful, gorgeous, unique packaging. So it's just your typical lip balm tone. It doesn't have a shade to it. I thought it may, but it looks nice. It does smell like peppermint. It's really pretty. The packaging is so unique. Definitely love the packaging. Excited to have this. Of course, I will put the retail value for this on the screen for you guys and let you know. Because obviously you can get all of these products. I'm assuming these are in their new skincare line. It's the first thing that I got, and I'm just going to set it there. We will put it all back later. This looks like, let's see, what is this? A Luxe Liner in Love Me. And I think this is the shade right there. So it's like a really pretty mauve toned shade. There it is there. Look how pretty that is. And I did swatch it. So it is like a mauve toned pinky nude, very, very pretty, and it did feel very buttery. Packaging, of course, is very nice. Next thing that we got was the Let's Melt It Off Gel Cleanser, Melt Away Cleanse Hydrate Aloe Hyaluronic Acid. It is a 3.8 fluid ounce, which is a really nice size. Right there it tells you everything it's free of: parabens, cruelty, whatever that is, mineral oil free, sulfate free, fragrance free. That's great. And then on the back it says an antioxidant rich gel cleanser that helps soothe your complexion while gently melting away makeup and any impurities. A blend of aloe vera, hyaluronic acid, sunflower seed oil, and glycerin aid in gently calming and moisturizing without stripping the skin's surface of natural oils. This sounds very promising. A gorgeous bottle. Look at that. That's super pretty. Looks just like the box. It has a unique shape to it. Very pretty. I'm super excited to give this a try for sure. Next product we got is the Nubian by Juvias. This is an eyeshadow pressed pigment eyeshadow palette. Now, when I worked at Ulta, I saw this and I had wanted to purchase it and I just never did for whatever reason. So I'm glad about that. I do love Juvias Place shadows. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Just like the box, it's that real pretty teal color. And it's a very neutrals palette. It's so pretty. It's very gorgeous. I may keep this because it's absolutely beautiful. And I will put the retail value again, like I said. I really love that it's some of their skincare, but they also included makeup products. So this would be considered skincare, the lip balm. And then, of course, the lip liner is makeup products and the eyeshadow palette. And then it looks like I have one more thing in here. So we got a total of 5 things. So not too bad. This is the Let's Melt It Off Cleansing Balm. It says melt away nourish with sea buckthorn, pineapple, mango butter, mango seed butter. It is a 1.5 fluid ounce. It says here, does it say anything about it? No, it does not. Okay, right here, an impurity bursting cleansing balm. This formula is enriched with protective oils to brighten, nourish, and hydrate skin. A blend of sea buckthorn, pineapple, sunflower, and vitamin E oils works to melt away makeup and excess oil while hydrating and softening the skin. This non-pore clogging balm, perfect for all skin types. Sounds amazing. What the packaging looks like, very nice, very sleek. A little spoon, which is super cute. Smells nice. It does not have a very strong scent. It smells kind of minty, but not too minty. Like there's a very faint mint smell, and it kind of looks like Vaseline, which typically they do. But I'm super excited to try this. I already have my pharmacy one I'm currently using, the cherry one, but I definitely want to give these products a try and see how they are. So I can definitely let you guys know. But this looks really, really nice. I got the Cleansing Off Balm. All the prices will be on the screen and linked down below for you guys in case you want to pick this up. The mystery box, if it's available, as well as individually if you want to try their skincare. I also got the gel cleanser, which is a full size. I got this lip balm here. Very pretty. Let's put it back in the packaging. This will be one that's going to go right in my purse to carry with me because I constantly have dry lips. So there's that. I did get a lip liner in the color Love Me, which is really pretty. And then I got this eyeshadow palette that is the Nubian. And this is one of their little mini palettes with 6 shadows, but still really, really pretty. So again, that is everything that I got. I think overall, I think it was worth what I paid. The price and everything will be listed because offhand I cannot recall, but I will have all that information for you guys. Okay, so that is everything that I got in the mystery box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you did, to give it a thumbs up. Definitely all the information will be linked down below for you guys so you can check out these products for yourself. I will definitely be testing out these skincare products for you guys here soon and letting you know what I think about them and if they're worth trying and picking up. I'm super excited. I think it's awesome that Juvias Place is coming out with new products, new skincare. I think it's going to be so great for their company. It's a very, very awesome brand. I truly enjoy it and really like it a lot. So if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. So this is going to complete this video for today. Thank you guys so much again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.